Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to play a game called At the Buzzer. Yes, this is a basketball type activity. You will be using a racket, a homemade racket that we're going to be putting together in just a moment. And then we're going to play this amazing and fun game. All right, so stay tuned. So the household items that you are going to need today are a bucket or a target. So I'm going to use this laundry basket. If you have a bucket, that works just as fine. We're going to need one spatula, one paper plate, some duct tape, and then this is a ball I'm using. You can use a sock and roll it up, but I'm going to go ahead and use a tape ball. This is just two pieces of paper with tape rolled up all over it. So this is what I'm going to be using for this activity. Now that we have our racket together, we're going to go ahead and play this game. So as you guys noticed how we put our racket together, we had one paper plate, a spatula, a piece of tape to connect the two together, and you're going to have a tape ball, or you can use a sock ball, whatever you guys want to use. I'm going to go ahead and use a tape ball for this one. Again, this is just two pieces of paper with some tape stuck together to make it a little more harder. Okay, so again, this game is called At the Buzzer. What's going to happen is we're going to have 1 minute to try to beat my score, and you have to pop the ball in to the bucket and retrieve it and come back to your starting point every single time. Okay, so stay tuned and let's see if you can beat my score. So for 50 seconds, every point you make is worth 1 point. And during the last 10 seconds, from 50 to 55, every point is worth 2 points. And at the last 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, every shot is worth 3 points. I highly encourage everybody to start at 6 feet, and then if you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and move it back all the way down to 8 feet. And then let me know what your score is. Make sure you guys don't forget to drop a comment below. What was your highest score? And if you beat me, we'll find out soon. See you soon. All right, we're gonna get started in just a moment. How many of you guys think I will get? 5, 10, 15, 100? Drop a comment below, let me know. Let's get ready to go. So are you ready? Go. How much time, Jordan?
10 seconds for 2 points.
2 points.
5 seconds for 3 points. 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Jordan's gonna go in and attempt to beat my high score of 4. Let's see if he can do it. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One point. Great job, Jordan. Keep up the hard work. He's getting his groove, trying to figure out what he has to do to get that. Oh, so close. Oh. Remember, the high score is 4 points. 4 points. 20 seconds left. 2 points. 3 points. 10 seconds left. 5, everything's worth 3 points. Oh!